After you have created your video using Screencast-O-Matic, if you want to upload it to YouTube, you're going to click Upload to YouTube. And if you do not have a YouTube account established yet, it will say to upload your YouTube account, we need to launch a web browser. So you're going to launch the web browser. And here you're going to choose an account. You want to allow that to manage your YouTube videos. If you do not have a YouTube account, then you're going to go to YouTube. And in the top right-hand corner, there'll be a button for you to sign in. So you're going to sign in again with Google using your Google credentials so that everything is linked to your teacher account. From here, once you have your YouTube channel set up, then you can post your screencast directly to your YouTube channel. If you would like to organize your YouTube channel by playlist, I will create another video for you to watch that tutorial.